Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prof. Bunny and today pag-uusapan natin yung isa sa mga pinakamahalagang batas or yung tinatawag natin na Bastos Law, Republic Act 11313. Okay? Pero siyempre kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa ating online classroom tutorial, huwag kalimutan mag-likes, mag-shares, and subscribe. No? Isa yun sa mga pinaka-importante para magkaroon man lang ng support, no? At para makapag-create pa tayo ng mga maraming content dito sa ating online classroom tutorial. So, dito, no, yung classroom tutorial na ito, no, yung tinatawag nating mix, no, about meron yung mga programming, may mga electronics, may macro controller, robotics. So, ibig sabihin yan, lahat ng mga ano natin, pwede natin yung content dito sa ating classroom tutorial. Okay? So, as what I said guys, pag-usapan natin yung Republic Act 11313 or bawal ang bastos. Okay? So, may mga pagkakataon ba na may nagsabi ng bastos na comments, unwanted jokes, or inappropriate remarks tungkol sa isang tao? So, minsan sinasabi nila, joke lang. Okay? Joke lang, nagbibiro lang naman kami. Pero paano kung hindi naman nakakatawa para sa taong nakarinig? Okay? So, kaya nasabi ko guys, today pag-usapan natin yung importanteng batas sa Pilipinas, the Bawal Bastos Law, officially known as the Safe Spaces Act or Republic Act number 11313. So, ano nga ba yung Bastos Law? So, yung Bastos Law ay ginawa para protektahan yung mga tao laban sa gender-based sexual harassment sa iba't ibang lugar or situation. Kasama rito yung mga streets and public spaces, online spaces, workplaces, at educational or training institution. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi lang physical harassment ang dapat nating bantayan. So, even online behavior can matter. So, kung makita natin sa ating screen, okay, the Anti-Street Harassment Act or Bastos Law, okay, so ito yung law that addresses gender-based harassment in streets, public spaces, or public transportations, and the online. So, yung mga example ng mga street harassment, catcalling, whistling, sexual comments, staring or leering, taking photos or videos without consent, unwanted physical contact, and the sexual remarks online. So, isa yan sa mga pinagbabawal dito sa batas na yan. Okay? So, meron din siyang mga tinatawag natin na penalties na merong first offense, merong second offense, and third offense na pwede kang mag-fine for 20 to 30,000 and imprisonment up to 30 days and community service. Okay? So, sino ba yung mga pwede mag-file? Siyempre, yung mga victim, yung parents or guardian kapag minor, and any person na nakasaksi doon sa tinatawag nating pangyayari. So, saan pwede mag-report? Pwede sa barangay, pwede sa police station, women and the protection desk, or mga tinatawag natin na online through the PNP Women and Children Protection Center. Okay? So, ngayon, ilagay natin ngayon doon sa tinatawag natin sa school. Okay, apply natin yan. Sa school, importante ito, no? Dahil safe, okay, dapat safe ang environment para sa lahat. Students, teachers, and other members of the school community deserves respect. So, hindi excuse guys yung laging sinasabi, trip lang namin. So, nagbibiro lang naman kami or ganito lang talaga kami mag-asaran, no, sa mga magkakabarkada. Kapag ang behavior ay unwanted at pasok sa pinagbabawal ng batas, hindi dapat ito ini-ignore. Okay? So, dapat alam natin, no, kung tinatawag natin na boundaries. No, be respectful, responsible. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, respect equality, dignity, and no to sexual harassment. Okay, so pagdating naman sa online, no, hindi rin matatapos yung respect kapag hawak na natin ang cellphone. Online harassment can also be covered by the Safe Spaces Act. Kaya bago mag-comment guys, mag-message, mag-post, o mag-share, think first, no? So, tatanong nyo sa sarili nyo, guys, ano? Is it respectful? Is it appropriate? Could it make someone feel unsafe or harassed? Kung hindi, huwag na nating gawin, no? Joke lang. Isa sa pinaka-common na dahilan na maririnig natin. Joke lang naman. Pero tanda, no? Hindi porke joke para sa iyo, okay na ito para sa ibang tao. Respect means knowing when to stop. Okay? So, hindi natin kailangan mang-insulto, maghiya, or gumawa ng inappropriate comments para magiging funny. Okay? So, ano yung dapat gawin? Kung may inappropriate behavior na nangyari sa iyo or isang taong kilala mo guys, huwag matakot na humingi ng tulong. You can call the trusted parents, teachers, guidance counselor, or appropriate school authority. Kung may concerns tungkol sa posibleng paglabag sa batas, it is also important to seek help from responsible adult who can guide you through the proper reporting processes. So, respect is everyone's responsibility. Guys, ang goal ng bawal bastos law ay hindi para pigilan yung normal na pakikisalamuha. The goal is to help protect people's dignity, safety, and right to feel secure and respected. Kaya sa school, sa public places, at online, respect others, respect boundaries, think before you speak, think before you post. At higit sa lahat, huwag gawing excuse ang joke lang para sa behavior na nakakasakit o nakakaharas ng ibang tao. So remember, bastos is not cool. Harassment is not a joke. Respect is always important. So let's help create a school in online community where everyone can feel safe, respected, and heard. Okay? Think before you speak. Think before you post. Respect everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And remember, bawal bastos law, respeto lang. Respeto sa lahat. Stop harassment. Respect everyone. Keep our school and online space safe. Okay, so ulit, thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. So, bye-bye.